If you want to reach your goals more successfully, consistently, predictably, do not make the same mistake that everybody else does. What everybody else does is think about their goal and then they come back to today and they think forwards about how they can do it. Doesn't work. Go out to your goal and then work backwards from that. Hashtag backwards. Work back. So if you've got a 12-month goal, what has to have happened by month 11 for month 12 to be inevitable? Not possible, not likely, not conceivable, but what would have to happen by month 11 for month 12 to be inevitable? And then by month 10 for 11 to be inevitable, and work backwards and backwards and backwards and fill in as many action steps as you possibly can along that backwards journey to today. And that will massively multiply the likelihood of you achieving the result that you're looking for.